んにちは。It's Sushi-chan. How are you doing? Today we will learn another very important point. Give in Japanese. Both あげる and くれる mean give. Then how can we distinguish? It's very complicated, but I'm sure you can understand how to use あげる and くれる after you take this lesson today. Are you ready? Let's get started! As I said, both あげる and くれる mean give in English. For example, A giver give an apple to B recipient means A は B にリンゴをあげます or くれます。A は B にリンゴをあげます or くれます。I bet you already know that あげます is the polite form of あげる and くれます is the polite form of くれる。Anyway, first important point is the particles. Please use the ni particle after a recipient. In this case, B. And second important point is which we should use あげます or くれます。It depends on the relationship between the giver and the recipient. Please see this figure. In Japanese society, we often use two groups called うち and そと。うち roughly means our group, including me, my family members, my friends, my co-workers. And そと is a group which has the other people. For example, a shop staff, a cashier, a stranger, and so on. And please remember these arrows. If you see a blue arrow, you can use あげる. And if you see a green arrow, you can use くれる. For example, my sister gave a pen to Mr. Sato. Sister means 姉 in Japanese. In this case, let's say I don't know Mr. Sato very well. In Japanese, you can say 私の姉は佐藤さんにペンをあげました。私の姉は佐藤さんにペンをあげました。In this case, a giver, my sister, is in うち, right? Because she is my family member. And Mr. Sato is in 外. And please see this arrow. This is a blue arrow. If you want to express someone in うち gives someone in 外. In Japanese, you need to use あげる as a verb give. How about this? A sales associate gave a coupon to me. Sales associate means 店員. Coupon means クーポン in Japanese. 店員は私にクーポンをあげました or くれました。Do you know which we should use あげました or くれました？ Yes, you may need to say くれました。Do you know why? I'll explain it. A giver, a sale associate, 店員 is in 外, right? And the recipient, me, 私 is of course in 内, right? And according to this figure, you see a green arrow from 外 to 内. If you see a green arrow, you may need to use くれる as a verb, give. So if you want to say this in Japanese, you can say 店員は私にクーポンをくれました。店員は私にクーポンをくれました。Great job, everyone! Actually, in Japanese culture, the concept of 内 and 外 is important for not only this grammar point, but also a lot of situations. So please remember that. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in my private lessons, please check the link of my Patreon page below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon. Bye bye.